Grace and peace, everybody. Welcome back to Faceovermatter. It is your girl Jay here. In today's video, we are tackling my hair. So I washed and conditioned it and blew it out, and I wanted to trim my hair. So I gave myself a trim. Really don't know how good I did. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by parting my hair. I'm not even gonna waste any time. We're just gonna start by parting it halfway. I want to do a braid out. I've seen it be done before, so I'm gonna start off with this section here. My hair is so dry. Yeah, like I said, I don't know how good of a trim I did. I tried my best without chopping all my hair off, but I don't know. I really don't know. I'm gonna spray the smallest amount of water. I'm using a mister. This is literally just to add the smallest amount of water to get a little moisture rolling. I'm gonna start with the Taraji P. Henson one, and I'm not gonna use that much. I'm just gonna use a little bit, and that was way too much, so let's scrape some of that off. I'm trying to like use my room mirror to see. So I'm literally just creating plaits, adding a little bit of product as I go, but not much. Okay, and once you get to the end, I'm gonna take a little perm rod and we are going to curl it up at the end. Not the whole way, but just like a little bit, just so it'll have some type of curl when we take them out. See? So now that you guys see, I'm just gonna continue the rest of my head up into the front. So that way it's nice and moisturized, it's cute, it's tight. We got everything we need. Please do not pay attention to my nails right now. They need to be painted. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do pretty much the rest of the back, and then I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so some time has passed and I'm getting close to the end, but I want you guys to see what I'm doing. As I get closer to the end, I add like the tiniest amount of the twisting souffle. Actually, what's so funny is I actually haven't even opened the twisting souffle from my yall, so this is just strictly Taraji P. Henson today. So now I'll take the end. I braided as far as it can go before like my hands just simply cannot grip the hair anymore. So as I go closer to the front, I am going to twist these up closer. So I kind of want my hair to have like this. Do you kind of see how this side it's like short and then like it kind of comes out a little longer? So it's gonna give that vibe, that illusion. Okay, so last piece, literally I have one perm rod left, so we really did that. So what I've been doing is I'm taking my 360 mister, just adding the tiniest bit of water just to kind of get my hair, I don't know, activated again so it can be manipulated a little bit. And I'm literally just making sure each strand kind of gets some love with the water. This is how much I have, so I literally have just enough for this twist. So I'm going to take about that much, maybe that's even too much, but I'm going to lather it through the hair, brush it through, comb it through, whatever you need to do. So what I've noticed is my hair comes out better, and how I know I have enough product is if like I can squeeze it and I don't see any like, what's it called, like any like white residue. I'm going to go in and braid. So this is what I mean, as far as I can possibly grab the ends with these nails. I don't want to braid it too far because here's the thing. When it comes time to undoing them, it's like it's gonna get frizzy. So I honestly braided this one. Matter of fact, while I'm saying it, I braided this one too far down. And we roll this up. Like I said, we're going to try to go for it being a lot tighter at the roots here. So literally, this is all I'm doing for these braids. Cute. As a little added thing, I'm gonna whatever water I have left, I'm just gonna hit a couple of them with the water. I don't know, it's just something about that water. The water kind of just, I feel like it's gonna help activate the hair a little bit. So this bottle is done. The Taraji P. Henson, this is really a really good twisting product. I'm sure if you're new here, you're probably gonna just be like, girl, we need to see the results in order to be like won over on this. So I got you. Once my hair dries and stuff, I will be back to show you the results and everything. I'm gonna go put a little face on. The lighting might be different just because it's 2:20. I mean, it's 2:52 right now. By the time I take this out, it's probably dark. guys, this is the end of the video. I know it's like a really weird angle, but the braid out came out so nice, you guys. I think this is gonna be like my new like go-to when I want to do my hair. Hold on, what is the back look? What is the, y'all? What's the back doing? Is the back being trifling? Let me get my camera, hold on. But I can't really see. Oh, it just needs a little separating in the back. Okay, I absolutely love how this came out. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to it, but I'm gonna wrap it up. And I mean, my hair needed this trim, so I'm so glad I trimmed my hair. But like, y'all, this is super cute. And it's gonna get bigger as the days go by. So hopefully it doesn't get completely ruined at the gym tomorrow. But now I know what to do because this is giving everything I needed for my hair. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Let me know what other hair videos you guys want me to tackle this year. We're still continuing to grow our hair out. I don't know if I'm gonna like color or anything. I keep going back in between like decisions, but at this point we ain't gonna do nothing just yet. But just wanna make sure it's healthy and it's growing and all that stuff. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Let me know down below. So as always, if you're new, I'm Jay. If you're not new, I thank you so much for supporting me with whatever I do here with my channel. I love each and every one of you to no end. And of course, until next time, God willing, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.